Hey everyone and welcome. If you are looking to break free from the 9 to 5 schedule, you know what am I telling you? Or you do a job and want a part-time work and build real wealth online. You are in the right place. I am SK and I am passionate about helping people like you achieve financial freedom. If you have laptop, or else if you have iPad or your tablet, or else you don't have anything, you should have your smartphone, right? Smartphone, you love your smartphone. See the smile in your face, huh? By using all these electronic gadgets, you can earn money. How? Subscribe my channel, join me, I will tell you everything. For the past 10 to 15 years, I have been deep into finance and management, helping businesses thrive and individuals unlock their financial career and other potential. I have seen firsthand what works and what doesn't, and now I am sharing everything I have learned with you. Okay, here what will we focus on and how I can help you. My channel is all about giving you the tools, tips and strategies you need to succeed. In the online world, we will cover everything from starting your own online business and mastering digital marketing to smart investing and building passive income streams. Whether you are a complete beginner or already have some experience, there is something here for you. If you are ready to take control of your financial future and create the life you have always dreamed of, hit that subscribe button and join my community. Let's build something amazing together. And don't forget to share this video with anyone you know who is looking to level up their finances. So bye bye, take care and all the best.